Alright guys, so this is the finished look of this super pretty unit right here, guys. So this unit was sent to me from OMGQUEENHAIR. Have not worked with this company in a while, but I decided to go ahead and test them out again. You guys want more affordable units, so here you go. So this unit, I'm going to read all the specs for you guys. This is the sexy Kim Kardashian haircut bob lace wig. It's virgin Brazilian hair. The SKU number on this one, guys, is BMW10. This unit is 12 inches long, as you guys can tell, and it is a pre-plucked hairline, bleached knots, and it does come with an elastic band. Now, starting off, guys, I'm not the biggest fan of like wavy units when companies call it like wavy. So with this one, I was kind of skeptical when it came out the pack. It looked really wavy, so I was like, you know what, it's gonna work. So one thing I did do was I wet it, and then I put a little bit of my Cantu leave-in conditioner in it. And as you guys can see, it does have a natural curl, natural wave pattern, which is a real wave pattern. This unit is really nice, guys. It gives you a good amount of parting space, about like 3.5 to 4 inches of parting space. It did come pre-plucked and pre-bleached, but I did go ahead and show you guys how I kind of like scale my tweezing. Didn't go extra, but I want to show you guys how to kind of open the lace up a little bit, which I think came out nice. The only thing I did with this unit is just put powder right here. I didn't have to spray the inner cap or anything like that. It's a nice kind of medium brown color, but sometimes with these medium brown color lace, it sometimes can still come off a little bit light. But all in all, guys, for the price point, which is pretty reasonable for you guys out there that ask for more affordable units, the price point for this unit is pretty reasonable, guys. It is definitely a summer kind of fling. It's a really nice wavy look. It is a good density as well too, which I was actually pretty surprised about. So it's not thin at all. It gives you a nice little buffy kind of, you know, slayful look. So all in all, guys, I think that this unit came out pretty nice. Let me know what you guys think. I'll leave all the information down below per usual, guys, but do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.